Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a click track that you might have accidentally recorded or bounced in place and you didn't mean to. So here's the recording that I'm going to try and fix. And it's a synthesized choir, but you can clearly hear the click track is there. Now what I want to do is I want to remove the click track without removing the choir sound. So what I need to do is I need to record just the click track by itself. And luckily for me, the student that did this sent me 2 tracks over, and the first track has the click track on it again, but there's no instrument on the first bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this region up. So I'm going to press Tool and Scissors. The shortcuts are T and I. I'm just going to cut it there. I'm going to go back to Tool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new track, and I'm going to place an alternative version just there, and I'm going to be working with the S choir track right now. So what I've cut up is the click track again. So together we should have a click track that's twice as loud. This isn't fixing the problem, but now I'm going to show you how to fix it. I'm going to click on the second track and press I to open up the inspector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the audio around, and put it out of phase. Let me just zoom in so I can demonstrate what's going on. Here we go. So this here is the waveform of the click track. As you see, it goes up and then down, then up and then down, and same for this one. But if I flip this one over, so it goes down then up in opposite phase to the one above it, this will result in a cancellation of that audio, so we won't hear it anymore. So I'm leaving the first one alone. I'm going to click on the second one, and I'm going to go into Audio Inputs, go to Utility and select Gain, and I want I need to turn this track into a stereo track first. There we go. Utility, and then I'm going to go to Gain. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the phase invert buttons for both left and right. What that will do is it will flip the way the audio goes. So now we shouldn't hear any click. The reason we hear it here is because this isn't cancelling it out anymore, but you heard it was cancelled out in the first bar. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to loop this region here. I'm going to carry on looping it for all the places where I have a click track in the previous track, and it will remove the click track. Like magic. Now I'm going to fix this area here. I'm going to click Alt to make an alternate version, copy it over, and then keep on looping all the way to the end. And we have no more click track. It's not damaged the choir, synthesized choir that was in the background. It's just removed the click. So now we're going to fix this properly. At the moment we have a working fix with a secondary track to remove the click, but we don't want to have to keep this the whole time. So now I'm going to select the 2 tracks that I'm working on. I'm going to set up a loop region. I'm going to make sure that they are the only tracks that are soloed, and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to bounce them. Command B. Here we go, and here's the bounced out version without the click track. You can even see that there isn't the audio waveforms from before. So now I no longer need the gain track for removing the click. I no longer need the original track either, so I can delete both of these place the new fixed version where it belongs. Delete that track, and let's have a listen. No click.